Welcome to our step-by-step guide on setting up interactive videos on an individual PDP page on your Shopify site. Let's get started. To begin, you'll want to navigate to admin.ghostretail.com before signing in with your account credentials. On sign-in, you'll be met with the Ghost homepage, at which point we'll navigate to the left-hand side, select Collections from the navigation menu. The Collections page will show you all of the collections created in your admin to date, along with the option on the right-hand side to add to site. We'll select Add to Site, and we'll be given the option to choose between 3 distinct display types. For today's purposes, we'll go with the widget. Once we've selected our display type, we'll see 2 simple implementation instructions here. Assuming we've already added the core script in the first step, we'll be able to just copy the secondary script underneath. At this point, we can flip into our Shopify site before navigating over to Products in the top left-hand corner and selecting a product to work with. At this point, we'll see an icon to show HTML in the top right-hand corner of the description box. We'll select this before making a bit of space underneath the existing text. At this point, we can include the script that we picked up from Ghost's side before saving our changes. On saving our changes, we can flip back to the editor to show only a text description before navigating to the actual page itself and refreshing to view our implemented PDP page video. And that's it. You've implemented Ghost's interactive videos on an individual PDP page on your Shopify site. If you find yourself in need of any additional assistance or have any further questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to the Ghost support team. Thank you. Happy selling.